1 Minute English.
In this 1 minute lesson, we are going to have a look at some different meanings for leave behind. Leave behind means to go somewhere and not take someone or something. For example, he left behind his boring job to travel the world. Leave behind can also mean to forget a bad experience. For example, the woman finally left behind her painful divorce. Leave behind can also be used to increase the distance with some progress. For example, the fast runner left everyone behind. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using leave behind and leave it in the comments below.